There is a stormy wind today on the drive range. I've tried to practice with pitch, and it went like really high, but then to the right. So it's to the right and shorter. So my coach told me to practice low shots with bigger club. I have a lower grip, and I tried to make a lower shot. So instead of pitch, I took 8, and with an 8 I'm gonna do these practice shots, try to go lower. So it's a good practice when you have trees on the field, for example. We'll see how it goes. Still high. Well, it's really high anyways, and it still goes right because of the wind. Backswing also should be shorter. Yeah. That is more or less what I needed, and it flew 145, 150. Hard to say because all the signs are down because of the wind. But anyways, it's much tighter than it used to be with the pitch, because with the pitch it could go like 10, 20 meters away. So, now that was to the right from the beginning. That is why it's so to the left. Also, I'm trying to practice today slow backswing. Ah, no, too low. That's good. I need to do it even lower. Even lower. How do you lower? Maybe close club face a little bit. No, not comfortable at all. I did a mistake with the swing. No.